is Brian. Now I'm going to show you a Minecraft Pocket Edition mod, and it's called Pixel Mod, but it's called Pocket Cube. Okay, download the link below, and there is 2 on the mod. Okay, let's delete this and import local storage, download Pocket Cube, and Pocket Cube. It's like a green one, and texture pack, select, download Pocket, not that, select, download Pocket Cube asset. That's all. And let's go to my world and let's see. Okay. You can actually like a mod. Okay. Actually, you need a leaves of trees. And you need also a goods. And also you need a crafting table. And also there is items in crafting table that's new. That's a Pokeball, and also the Evolver, the Pocket Flute, Pokemon Evolver, and more. So to get your first Pokemon, you need to do is click the other Pokemon, I got some Pokemon because I can do that on my face. So when I die that time, I got first Pokemon. So you can do that. Hit a mob. So to catch a mob, you need a Pokeball. And click, and done. One more time. Let's do that to mod. your Pokemon, you should touch other Pokemon in their body. Okay, your Pokemon is now summoned. And one more time, our next Pokemon. Okay, that's all, guys. A mod of Pixel mod. Thank you.